In this video, I'm going to talk about how to get Robux with Sweatcoin. So firstly, open up your Sweatcoin and then log into your account. So once you logged into your account, and if you have like enough Sweatcoins in your account here, if you have earned these Sweatcoins, first you need to earn them, then only you'll be able to use those Sweatcoins in order to redeem it and get Robux or any other stuff that you wish to. Okay, so the way you find it, it's once you're on here on your app, click on the rewards tab here. So click on the rewards tab on your bottom, and here you will see all the options available at the moment. So for example, here you will see like there's a lot of gift cards available, so you can simply enter any any, if you click on the win tab here, you will have different draws and everything where they offer different types of cards, which includes Robux as well. If they don't provide direct Robux card, then what you can also buy is you can either buy an Amazon gift card. You can try to get an Amazon gift card, or even like a Google Play gift card. So if you have even these two, Amazon or Google Play, you can purchase Roblox using these two gift cards as well later on in the Roblox application. You can do that too. So just try. And if you see there's a premium tab, if you click on premium tab, there'll be more options here, like Amazon, Netflix. You'll see that. Just tap on it and then try to win them. So for that, you need to have like sweat coins, or else you just have to need to pay for it in order to get these sweat coins as well. So especially for the premiums one. So this is where you find and get the Robux. And or if, as I mentioned earlier, if you can't find direct Robux, then try to go for like any Amazon cards or Google Play cards. That will also, through that you can also get Roblox.